It is possible to upgrade the RAM in your Toshiba T1200 from the standard 1 megabyte capacity. According to sales brochures, you could add a 1 megabyte LIM EMS card to the Toshiba expansion slot to give you a total of 2 megabytes. Inside the machine, the RAM card, which is connected to the motherboard using a ribbon cable, has 4 empty locations. You can solder in 4 256K by 4-bit DRAM chips to gain an extra half megabyte. I found you could scavenge chips from ISA video cards and also test chips before soldering them in the card using the video card. Clearance is an issue, so you can't install sockets on the board itself. Once done, you get 896 kilobytes as expandable memory. You can see this in the system configuration version 4. And the upgraded machine passes all of the Toshiba tests. At the very end of the Toshiba technical reference, it talks about the expanded memory controller. The Toshiba LIM EMS card that you could install in the Toshiba expansion slot contained an expanded memory controller. Each expanded memory controller can control up to 2 megabytes, and the machine itself can handle up to 4 of these controllers, giving it a technical 8 megabyte capacity. The motherboard contains a expanded memory controller, and I believe that the motherboard can control up to 2 megabytes. If you really wanted the 2 megabyte RAM on your Toshiba T1200, I believe that you could piggyback 4 more DRAM chips on the backside of the RAM card, separating the RAS lines for each pair and perhaps tying them to the lines A14 and A13 on my very poorly drawn diagram. This is only a guess and will have to be looked into further in the future. The RAM that you do install is fully battery backed up and makes a fantastic small RAM drive. I hope this helps people that want to upgrade their old Toshiba T1200.